Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Richard Scarry's I Am a Bunny. Richard Scarry's I Am a Bunny, written by Ole Risom. I am a bunny. My name is Nicholas. I live in a hollow tree. In the spring, I like to pick flowers. I chase the butterflies, and the butterflies chase me. In the summer, I like to lie in the sun and watch the birds. And I like to watch the frogs in the pond. When it rains, I keep dry under a toadstool. I blow the dandelion seeds into the air. In the fall, I like to watch the leaves falling from the trees. I watch the animals getting ready for the winter. And when winter comes, I watch the snow falling from the sky. Then I curl up in my hollow tree and dream about spring. The end. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more books. Thank you.